Good morning, student. Myself, Pallavi, your EVS teacher, welcomes you in our online classes. Students, hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, children, we are going to start our new chapter, that is our neighborhood. Okay, children, first of all, tell me what is neighbor? Okay, I will tell. Those who are living with us in our colony or nearby us is our neighbor. In same area we live with our friends, so they are our neighbor. And what is neighborhood? Okay, I will tell. The place and people when they both are living around us means a place. Place is related to a market, a hospital, post office, that all things our places nearby us. And people means the children or our friends living in a same colony, they are our neighbor. So these two combination is called neighborhood. Okay children, so we'll start our chapter. We live in our house with our family. People who live near us in the same area are our neighbors. Many other families also live around us. They are our neighbors. So, children, we used to live with our family, and I already told you that people who are living near us in the same area where we are living, that who they are our neighbor, and they live with their families. Okay, they are our neighbors. Okay, so neighbors help each other, they love to spend time with each other, they celebrate festival together. We visit our neighbors houses, they also visit our home. We greet our neighbors when we meet them. The place and the people around us make a neighborhood. There are many places in a neighborhood. So children, with our neighbor we used to spend time. Evening their children and we used to play. You know, you play now? And we all celebrate the festivals together. We visit their home, they visit our home, and we greet our neighbors when we meet them. Greet means we say hello auntie, hello uncle. This is called greet. Okay, if any festival is there, suppose Diwali is there, we say happy Diwali auntie. Or any success is there, we say congratulations. These all are our greets. Okay, so children, we know that the place and the people around us make a neighborhood, and there are so many places in our neighborhood. So let's have a look on that. Children, see here one picture is there of our neighborhood. Here it is clearly given. See, this is our house and nearby so many roads are there, and going through these roads we go to the school, library, hospital, police station, post office, fire station. So this is our neighborhood. Okay children, now we move to our next topic. So in that our first neighborhood place is market. So first I will read. A market has many shops. Every day we buy a variety of things from different shops. We have a market in our neighborhood. We buy fruits, vegetables, milk, grains, and medicine from the market. So children, we are having so many shops nearby our house, and we go for some purpose daily there. Yes or no? Yes, we get so many things, variety of things in different shops. Suppose if we want any fruit, suppose you want to buy apple, banana, papaya, anything, you have to go a fruit shop. Okay, and if you want to buy vegetable, you have to go green grocery shop, means where you get vegetables. There you get potato, tomato, and all type of vegetables. Okay, and in ration shops you get milk, grain, and in medical shops you get all type of medicine. So children, this is a market in which so many different types of shops are there, and in that shop we get variety of things. Okay, and if we want anything, we want to do shopping or we want to purchase anything, we have to visit market. Got it, children? Now see, we have the picture of market. See, so much of crowd is there, and here vegetables and fruits are there. We get flowers also there. So this is a picture of market. Understand? Now we will move to our next neighborhood, that is hospital. Tell me student, when we go to the hospital, when we are sick or injured, we go to the hospital, and a hospital who is there to take care of us? Doctors and nurses. Okay, so they will give medicine and inject us to get cure from our sickness or injuries. So first I will read, children. We have hospitals and clinics in our neighborhood. We go to a hospital when we are sick. A doctor treats the sick and injured people by giving them medicines or injections. A nurse takes care of the sick. So children, we are having hospitals and clinics in our neighborhood, and when we are get sick, we will go to the doctor, or doctor treats our sickness, and if we are get injured, he will give medicine and inject us, and nurse, she will take care of us. She will give anything in a time. Okay, now we will see the picture of hospital. See children, this is a hospital. Here we will go when we are injured or sick. Understand? Now we will move to our next topic, that is post office. First I will read. We have a post office in our neighborhood. We need the service of a post office. We have relatives and friends in far away places. We like to know about them. We communicate with them through letters. We can send money by money orders. We buy stamps, postcards, envelopes from a post office. A postman brings letters, money orders, and parcels to our homes and offices. So children, we are having post office near our neighborhood, and we need service from there. If we want to talk to anybody or with our relatives or friends, they are living far away places, so we write a letter to them. Okay, and we like to know how they are, what is going on there, anything. Okay, and we want to communicate with them. We will reply by writing letter from here, and they will reply the writing letter from there. Okay, and if we want to send money order, we can do it. We have to buy stamps, postcards and envelope from the post office itself. And children, tell me, who is the person who brings letters, money orders and parcels to our home as well as in our offices? A postman. A postman brings letters, money orders and parcels to our home and in our office itself. Okay children, so let's see the picture of post office. See, this is a picture of post office. Now see children, here one red box is there. It is called post box, in which we have to drop our letter, what we have to send. Understand? And from this only he will take out the letter and he will parcel it. Okay children, understood? So we will continue with our new topics tomorrow. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.